Right, my comrades, Parisian tichadaidza representative weYoung Men for ED kuti vangotipawo mashoko mashomanana in solidarity.
Mberi.
Ingetwa comrade Tamuka Robert Muchemwa. Pamberi nezano.
Pamberi
nemusangano.
Pamberi.
Pasi nemandu.
Pasi.
I'm happy to see you all today. Thank you for coming. Nokutenda imise nebasa ramabata rakadai ku sacrifice time yenyu muchiuya pano kuti tizomiririra nyika yedu Zimbabwe na president wedu Idi Mnangagwa for the removal of sanctions. We are asking from the president of America, Donald Trump, for the immediate removal of sanctions. Tokumbira masanctions abviswe nyika yedu iwane kuenderera mberi. Imagine the way Zimbabwe iri kusumuka nayo this time. If tanga tisina masanctions, by now tinenge tiri kuda even my investors are open Zimbabwe. Zimbabwe is open for business. We are asking as youth, as Zimbabweans in South Africa, we are here to Embassy America kuti tikukumbira masanctions abviswe with immediate effect. Ndatenda zvangu.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Umgosi waseMzansi. Kune video yema Zimbabweans labonakala khona masha abambe emhlangano yana thide khona la South Africa. Lama Zimbabweans la wahlala khona la South Africa and they are doing all these things la South Africa ke sana bagadwe yini maphoyisa la South Africa njoba seyibonile iveni yemaphoyisa imile lapha futhi it's not even a veni truck leya yemaphoyisa ibagadile ukuthi bakhone kahle kumasha kahle in peace bangaphazanyiswa nje kuba sibabona sibavile nalekhani bakhuluma siyeva nje ukuthi vele bama Zimbabweans bagqokene impahla temaZimbabweans bayamasha la South Africa. Lokushiye abantu labaningi baqasuke ngendlela lesibanga ukuthi kahlahlelana esiyanyelwa ingahlahlelana siyadzelelwa because kungani bangahambi boyibamba lemihlangano in their own country. Why bafune kubamba lo mhlangano la South Africa? Bahambe ngani bamuke Nkosi yami baye emakhaya kunini sibatshela ukuthi abahambe and they are always telling us straight ukuthi bona njena they are not going anywhere. Sibenze sabo also ukuthi baze babambe imihlangano khona la South Africa bebangawendi ngani lemihlangano yabo whatever that they are doing lapha yana ku Zoom mhlambe bafuna vele ukuthi baze baphume babonwe bantu ukuthi bona bayamasha. So people were confused ukuthi we wonder ukuthi le meeting yani nakhona why bafuna kuyenda la South Africa. People are saying ukuthi ko onke njena bantu lesithi ma foreigner labakhona la South Africa ma Zimbabweans ngiwo ladzelela kusike samvana zandile dabula ikhuluma indolo efana naleyo ukuthi ma Zimbabweans ngiwo lafuna yahlala khuluma ma Zimbabweans ngiwo lafuna kuphendula kuqala nje nababantu njena labadidzelela kusidalo nje abakhona ukuthula. Ma Zimbabweans alandzelwe ma Nigeria labanye bayalandzela but Zimbabweans ngisho bamjikisa eclinic yeyivuka ngelilaka umuntu apute kahle ukuthi ningijikisa ngobe kwente njani. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you in the next one. I'm signing out. So goodbye.